Welcome to Changkuoth Nyak, your trusted source for breaking news in South Sudan. Today, headline: a deadly attack on an IOM convoy in Jonglei State, and a church set ablaze in Aweil East by a 15-year-old suspect. Let's get into the detail. IOM convoy ambush. Army men attack a convoy belonging to the International Organization for Migration IOM in Jonglei State in South Sudan on Friday, critically injuring the driver of one of the vehicles. The incident happened at Mareng Junction near Poktap town in Du County, which is in Jonglei, as the IOM staff were returning from repair work on a flood control dike. John Shatimre, one of the county commissioner of Duke County, confirmed the attack and say the gunman fled into the bush when the second IOM vehicle approached. The injured driver was first taken to a local clinic, then transferred to a UNIMIS facility in Bor for treatment of gunshot wound. Commissioner Ray accused attackers from the Greater Pibor administrative area, stating the gunman spoke the Malay language and escaped in the direction of Pibor. But in response, Greater Pibor Administrative Area Information Minister Nyanga denied the claim and said they had no knowledge of the incident. The IOM has yet to comment on the attack. South Sudan remains one of the most dangerous countries for humanitarian workers, with dozens of attacks reported a year targeting aid convoy and UN-supported missions. Church arson in Aweil East. This is a breaking news. In a separate incident, police Northern Bargizal State have arrested a 15-year-old boy accused of setting fire to a Seventh-day Adventist church in War, Aweil East County. The arson occurred around 10 p.m. on Friday, June 13, 2025, and police apprehended the suspect just an hour later. Captain Godakol, the state police spokesperson, confirmed the incident, the arrest, and said that the boy's identity is being withheld due to security and his age. He said, yes, the Seventh Adventist Church in War was set ablaze by a 15-year-old minor. We arrested him at around 11 p.m. and investigations are underway to determine the motive. Authorities suspected others individuals may have been involved, and investigations are ongoing to track them down. The full extent of the damage to the church is still being assessed, but early reports suggest significant destruction. Church leaders were not available for comment by press time. Captain Akol has urged the public to cooperate with the police and share any information that may assist the investigation. He emphasized that this is the first known case of church arson in the area, making it a highly unusual and concerning incident. South Sudan continues to struggle with lawlessness, tribal violence, and instability, affecting both humanitarian effort and religious communities. We will continue to follow these two important stories and bring you updates as more detail emerge. For more breaking news and real voice from the ground, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Changkuoth Nyak YouTube channel. Thank you and bye-bye.